Hello, welcome awesome people. My name is Galaxie and today I'm gonna show you how to edit, cut, copy your video clips. So let's get started. I'll open the Kdenlive and I'll open some files. This file has audio and video link together. This is all linked together. When you just drag the video, audio will also link with it and drag accordingly. If you want to ungroup the clips, then right click ungroup and it will ungroup. If you don't want it, then just select and right click, group the clip. It will just group. And here is the selection tool, which is selected by default. You can just drag and drop. You can just push left and right with this selection tool. If you want to trim, cut your video or audio files, then you can do so with the razor tool. You just click on it and it will show this red sign. Just click wherever you want and just click on it. It will separate the video like this, and then again select the selector tool and you can just move along wherever you like. If you don't like this part of the track, just right click, delete the selected item and you join it. Again, if you want to cut this part, just click on it, select the selection tool, right click, delete the selection item, then you can ungroup the clip. You can delete this part as well, and you can also ungroup this and move the audio files. Just left and right dragging. Just move the mouse cursor and this is it. If you want to cut your audio as well, you can do so. Just click on it. It will separate it. Also, to copy the clip, you can right click and just copy and paste wherever you like, just like this. Right click, copy and paste. It will just copy and paste your clip. This is the basic editing of copy and paste. You have learned about selection tool, razor tool, copying the video, and how to put your video on the track, and adjusting the video, and something about the project monitor. And that's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe so I could grow my channel. See you next time. Thank you.